what advantages of an LLC when the partners receive earnings of more than 100 K per year?
Yeah, if they receive 100, and this is a good example. That it's good that I didn't see this question at the last one, but it's good that I use the $100,000 because I can continue with the $100,000 example. So if the $100,000 are, if there are more than $100,000 in profits and there are two partners, remember, if there is $150,000 of profits and there are two partners and the two partners are foreigners, then it will not be any more 50,000 for each, and the tax paid, it will not be 5,000, and the withholding will not be 17,500. It will be more withholding. In that case, $50,000. 35% is like 15, so it will be like almost $8,000 more in withholding. So instead of withholding 17,500, it will be withheld almost $25,000 in withholdings, and the taxes will probably be 7,500 or $8,000 more. So and this is the more profit the company is given to the owners, the higher the tax rate and the larger the taxes to be paid. There is the only advantage that the LLC will provide to foreign partners or foreign owners who make $100,000 or more is that the tax rate are escalating, meaning that you only pay 10% over the 10,000, and the first 10,000 you will pay 15% over the next from 10 to 40, the next 30, and then the next 10, it will be paid 25%. And then if we go, no, then it will because it is 50 to 105, so it will still be there in that range. But this it is beneficial because if we compare this to a corporation, corporations pay 21% in taxes flat, and the corporation is the one paying that. Corporation is a different type of entity, different to the limited liability company. So there is a different tax rate, it's 21%, and in addition, the owners, when they receive dividends, they will need to pay an additional 15% of taxes. So it's like 35%. 35%, is almost flat. So the advantage for foreigners, for foreign citizens to come to the United States to do business is to open a limited liability company because of the graduated, the escalation, like the graduated rates for each one of the tranches of the income that they will receive.